Hey guys, here's a fun video I did a while back and I'm reposting today. I hope that you'll enjoy it. It's a short one. Please watch it to the end, and if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video, and God bless you so much even as you watch.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never